I just had my second job. My client moving into a new house. The carpet was new. Looks like very, very new. But called me back up and said they noticed there was hair in the carpet because we didn't go ahead and clean it the last time I was here because it did look brand new. So pet hair. So ran the CRB over all this, and as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna check the trays and see how much hair is embedded in the carpet. No urine or anything like that, but just pet hair, dander, buildup, and everything. So they obviously did have pets, and so there was a time when they were on these carpets after they were installed. So most likely they installed them just before they put it up on the market. So a little bit of pet hair, but I'm hoping to see how much we get out with the CRB. Alright, let's check it out here. Wow, that was empty before I started. So these were empty when I started, but check that out, Steve. That's how much pet hair.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, so you're right. It was in there. So all that's now out. So all I gotta do is just do regular cleaning over it, real light. I'll keep the moisture down because it's not dirty. Okay. But it'll be real good. You shouldn't have this issue anymore. Right so on. Cool. All right, thanks, Steve. As you saw, he was shocked. He knew there was pet hair in there, but neither of us realized that much. That is insane. So now I'll go ahead and do my precondition, or set up the hoses, precondition, and get it all going. It should be good. Nice wet day today. Not too bad. Not raining right now. It was dumping water earlier, so as long as it stops while I'm working, I'm good. All right. Nice wrap. I'll show everybody if you haven't seen it. Inspired by Sager's carpet cleaning in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. So he's got something similar, and I love the way it popped and looked, so I went ahead and did some similar designs to it. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to cleaning. Here we go. Hey guys, second job of the day done. The client, he was really impressed, as you saw from the video, of how much pet hair was pulled up. Those things were empty. I cleaned them out before I started his job this morning. So that's how much. That was his one concern, is the pet hair that was embedded in the carpet. They were laying on it. You saw it was empty, but it's a new house, so they're getting everything ready. But they would lay down or sit down on the carpet, and they would notice the hair was pulling up. So there was, as you can see, tremendous amount of pet hair, and that's why I ran the CRB first before ever wetting the carpet. And it came out looking good. Forgot to do a walkthrough on it, but he was pleased, happy. He's gonna tell his friends and everybody else about us. But yeah, so if you want to experience a QMS difference, give me a call today. Talk to you later.